Hi, Daniel Parsons. I'm a Prife International independent business owner. And right there in the video screen in the middle on the bottom, there is my name, and here's my Prife affiliate identification. My phone is ringing, but this is more important because I've got to get this out. This is the iTera Bio foot massager. This device is wonderful. I've already done a couple of videos. I lost 2 kilograms, which is around 5 pounds, after just 2 days. And I'm almost at my target weight. So I'm going to stop the video for a second and let me go into screen share. And let's go allow. So let's go to screen share. And I want to show you, this is our leader over in Scotland, Janie Kirk. And let's show you the affiliate links that you have now. And when you join my team, I give you a little email that you can send to your people. And that email will have the instructions. Okay, so the Chinese New Year is getting ready to start. And so on the navigate button down here on the bottom left, click on that. It's the second button over. Click on top up. Okay. When you click on top up, right here is you want to make sure that the person that's going to sponsor somebody is listed here. If they're not listed here, you need to get with your sponsor to get your affiliate link. Okay, so we're just going to do a $1 test. We're going to hit submit. Now watch what happens. This is the Stripe payment system. We had this last year with Prife. And so the person will pay with their credit card. We're not using PayPal anymore. So they will just fill out their information here, their email, their card information, their name on their card. And then I recommend that they don't save information here, and then they'll hit pay. And then what's going to happen once that process is finished, let me show you what happens. And let me log out of Janie, and we'll go into mine. And so here we go. And by the way, that iTera Bio, it really heated me up. It's not to the point where it's uncomfortable, but man, you can tell that the foot massager through your feet is really circulating your blood. It's helping your intestines. I had an interesting bowel movement yesterday, and I said, wow, that's the bio. Okay, so right here on the navigate is the referral register status. Okay, so when somebody comes in and they top up your wallet, this is where you're going to find them here. And then you will, in your instructions that I teach people, in that remark field on the top up button, we want people to put their name right here in this box, name, shipping address, phone number, email, and a desired username is best, because you got to have the name, shipping address, desired username, phone number. So that's it for this training. We have this really cool meeting room now, and this is wonderful. You can do incredible things with this. You can stream to Facebook and YouTube, and also you can design it the way you want to. So you're interested in a really cool conferencing system? Meetin has it. Okay. And my username with Meetin is just meet and then letter n.com/Parsons. And they'll give you a 14-day trial for free. God bless you. Bye for now.